Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get Snapchat Plus and what Snapchat Plus is. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now I'm going to walk you through all the various features of Snapchat Plus and how to sign up, how you can cancel at any time, all that stuff. Of course, we'll open up the Snapchat app here, and then at the very top left we'll tap on our profile icon, and then we will tap on the gear icon at the top right here. And you'll see right below email there is Snapchat Plus, and I'll tap on that. Now this is where I can sign up for Snapchat Plus. It gives me at the very bottom the ability to start with a 7-day free trial. I can also pay for 12 months, 6 months, or 1 month at a time. 1 month is only $3.99. And so you basically do that, you say you start 7-day free trial, or do the 1 month, 6 month, or 12 month. And then at the very top, you can tap Learn More, and it'll show you what is Snapchat Plus. So it gives you a bunch of really cool features for not that much money. So the very first feature is Ghost Trails on a map, sorry. So what this does is it shows you exactly where your friends have been for the last 24 hours, so you can track and see exactly where they've been. The second one is Best Friends Forever. You can pin someone as your #1 best friend, which is a feature that's only available on here. There's Story Rewatch Indicator, which is pretty cool, and it gives you an example down here. It allows you to see exactly who's rewatched any of your stories that you've posted. So you can see the number of views, the number of screenshots, but also who's rewatched that story, which is pretty cool. So I'll go back. It also gives you custom app and themes. So I can see here all of the different app icons that I can choose and modify so that on your iPhone or your Android, you can have all these different apps. It gives you the Snapchat Plus badge where you can indicate that you are a Snapchat Plus subscriber with that white star with a black circle around it. And then the last one is your friend solar system, which gives you the ability to see exactly how close you are to being the #1 best friend for any given person. And it gives you that information by showing you what kind of planet you're on in relation to the sun. So how close or far you are in relation to the sun, depending on which planet you are on. So lots of different cool features, and it'll also say any new features that come available on Snapchat. It'll be first available on Snapchat Plus, which is a great additional feature. You get new access to these things before anyone else does. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.